false security. That's why you never buy a house in Florida. That's it. That's it. That's it. Just sitting in this bed, laying, sleeping, secure. And the earth just reached up and swallowed him. But let's just jump deep into the scripture that our brother Stop read this morning. He read it for me. Because God gave it to him, and God gave it to me. Because God can do those things. He said that the church in Corinth was blessed. They was blessed, y'all. Corinth was a wealthy city through which passed many merchants and tourists. The church, of course, benefited from the overflow of exchange. And as a result, the Corinthian Christians enjoyed a blessed lifestyle. But we are creatures of comfort. And you know what money can do to us. Let me break it down. It can make us overconfident.
Come on now.
Got a little money in my pocket. It can make us comfortable. And when we get too comfortable, we are subject to let our guard down. That's exactly what Paul feared would happen to the early and very fragile church at Corinth. And that's a good point. You know that the church is very fragile. You know, it don't take much to break up a church. It don't take much. They say here the church is fragile. You know, just let some in and start a room. It ain't gonna take much. Sometimes you drunk down there and ready to fall down drunk. It don't take much. Ain't been leaving 20 years. But it don't take much. But then it comes back, you know what? It wasn't him, it looked like it. Before we can get back to the correctly understand, it looked like it is all over town. It don't take much to bring the church. The man said here in scripture that the church is a fragile thing. In other words, you got to be very careful with the church. You got to treat the church like fine china. Because it don't take much to break up one. You know, one sister get mad at another sister, and all the sisters mad at that sister. Because you know how we do it. If you mad at her, I'm going to be mad at her. If you mad at her, I'm going to be mad at her. If you don't like her, I ain't going to like her. If you don't like her, I ain't going to like her. A brother get mad at a brother. Well, if the trustee don't like him, I ain't gonna like him. If the property don't like him, I ain't gonna like him. The church is very fragile. It's a fragile thing. Isn't that what he said? He said that we get comfortable. And he said that Paul feared that this would happen to the early church because it was very fragile. But the churches today, they are more fragile than the ones back then. It takes less now to break up a church than it took back then. You don't think it does? Not this church, but other churches. Let the sister talk to the wrong man. You don't think it'll break up? You don't think it'll break up? That's my man. You don't think the church fragile? Let us talk to the wrong man. Not this church, that's the other church. Talk to the wrong man. If you don't think the church fragile, it's a fragile thing. That's why I'm always trying to keep y'all busy. You know, Easter egg hunt, barbecue. My master barbecue back there, great. Barbecue for the men's day. Christmas program, breakfast on Christmas. Keep y'all busy. Because you know what? It's a fragile. If I don't keep y'all busy, y'all tear each other apart. Because the church is a fragile thing. That's why I keep you busy. It's fragile. And it said that warnings have